Stand by. And now, there they go. As expected, Burst Merger didn't waste time at the break. He jumps for the running by the now is a Red Queen. 2 lengths for the back in third. This one is a Lucency. 3 lengths for the back in for that customer together with Generative. Then here comes a Start Swap while Buzz Rock is the early trader past the half-mile pole. No change with the positioning. Burst Merger maintaining a 2 lengths lead. Lucency comes next. Running along third is Red Queen. As approaching in fourth position, that customer is Street Swap also coming into the picture. 4 lengths for the back in sixth position. Generative Buzz Rock is still spreading the group and rounding the park turn. It's still 2 horses with a collider in front. That is one is a Lucency. Reverse Merger on the inside. 3 lengths for the back in third is a top customer and to the long stretch. It is still Lucency while Jackie Patricio Patti Dilemma doing the business and the proceedings while the horse owner giving a heart to cheer on this one. Lucency, the horse of Mr. Joseph Tejenco. MHP belongs to Lucency. Taps customer, Buzz Rock. Gates open, the rock and no racing. The past stepping on Petro, it wastes time at the break. The jumps for the running alongside is a mind boy Papa. Sir William comes next with Anna together with Karin Melody. 4 lengths for the back in sixth position. That is what is the Ponya King. While Isa Puting Bato is the early driver past the half-mile pole. No change in the positioning. Don Petro maintaining a line can happen, trying to get closer in second. That is what is a my boy Lollipop. Moving up to take third, Seth Williams. Then here comes Queen Ella together with Karin Melodia. And rounding the far turn and reach the last turn. It is still my boy Lollipop. Maintaining a line can happen, trying to get closer is Don Pedro. Then here comes Queen Ella. Melodia. 4 horses keep on packing out from the lead. Watch out on the outside. Isla Puting Bato burning the drive to take the lead. It's now Isla Puting Bato and California King. And finally, Isla Puting Bato, California King.